Okay, start talking. So here I'm talking about today's lesson. Today I want to talk about finding, sorting, aggregating, managing, and sharing data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. So these are progressive elements of the world we live in, the reality we live in. So it starts with data, which is the finest point, goes to information, goes to knowledge, goes to wisdom. I'm still recording here, so I can go on to remember I talked about blah, 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 all these different things. On my blog, I expect you to have these things. On your blog, I expect you to have these different pages. Okay. So I've just recorded a little clip. Down here are all the controls that I can use. I can use the pen. I can use the different things. I can go back. I can clear the screen. You can change your mouse so it looks different. This is kind of handy. Maybe I should be using this on recordings more than anything else.